Hi guys, welcome back to another video. TeeKidsDesign here. I hope that you guys are having an awesome time. Make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and you ring the bell for notifications. That way you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. So today I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. I got an order recently to create a work badge for one of my co-workers. I will be recreating this one right here. I will be changing the colors. The pink is just going to be purple, and that's it. So without further ado guys, let's jump into the video. All right, so the materials that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the 4x4. Actually, this is a 3x3 hoop that I have, and then I have some felt. I got these at Hobby Lobby. This one is like a soft felt, so this one is 33 cents. As you guys can see, is a 9x12. And then this one is also a 9x12, but is a peel and stick one. It has like some, it's like a sticker paper in the back, which makes the felt and the badge more sturdier. All right, so we're gonna hoop. Since I will be using purple first, I already have my purple color right on the machine. Actually, if you're using this sticky felt, just make sure you peel the paper on the back, and we're gonna do the white first because it's gonna have a white background. Just gonna put that right there. I have the design already loaded, so we're just gonna hit the green button. Alright guys, so it's gonna stitch out the letters now, the tough and the save. So I'm just gonna hit the green button because I still want it to be purple. Switched out the color. We're doing the black now. It's pretty much going to be doing like the stethoscope and then the black wording here, and then we'll be done. I also wanted to mention guys, I do create these like badge holders for my co-workers. If they place like an order for t-shirts or anything, I like to make them one of these just as a thank you gift. I think it's pretty nice just to give them, you know, a little token of appreciation. So if I get like any t-shirt order from any of them, I do like to create one of these and just throw them in the bag for them. I know that I haven't recorded in a while, but if you guys don't know, I am a registered nurse. I work in the hospital. Medical field is crazy right now. The shortage is ridiculous, so I have been working crazy hours. That's why I just wanted to get on here and at least do a little video for you guys. But I want you guys to stay tuned to my channel. I recently purchased a sublimation printer, a Sawgrass 1000. Besides the embroidery, I have been expanding my business. I'm doing sublimation. I started also doing more vinyl. I've had a couple orders of that too. The next video I'm going to try, I also did, I'm doing tie-dyeing. So that's really fun. I really enjoy doing tie-dye t-shirts. But I want to show you, maybe for the next video, I'm going to show you my Sawgrass 1000 printer and my best-selling design. I actually have a sample right here. These are the designs that are very popular. I made this one for myself. This is a nurse life design. And then this is a boy mom design that I recently did for one of my co-workers, but I'll be doing the one that says mom life. That is really popular. I do that one using a Gildan soft style t-shirt, and I sublimate it, and I also bleach the t-shirt. So stay tuned, that video is going to be coming up next, and I will be showing you guys exactly how I do it. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna fast forward this video, and then once it's done and I'm getting ready to cut it out, I'll show you guys. I'll be back. All right, guys, so it already finished out stitching. I'm not worrying about this one because technically I only need one. So I feel like I don't need to waste material doing a second one when I don't really need it. So the trick here would be placing a piece of felt on the back, because if you just leave it like this, your feltie is going to be flimsy. So now I'm just going to spray some adhesive here, some spray and bond, and then I'm gonna just put this one here, and then it's just gonna trace the outer portion of the feltie again, and that way this piece of felt is gonna be secured to the felt, to the badge. All right, so let's do that. Got my adhesive bond here, spray and bond. We're just gonna spray a little bit over that. We're gonna put that right over it, just like so. That's pretty much it, guys. This is pretty simple. We're gonna put it on the machine. I did change the thread, went back to the purple because we're just gonna trace the outline. And we're gonna put the green. These don't really take a long time neither. Like here on the machine, it's showing that it's 16 minutes, and that's because I had two. So I'm guessing it's 8 for each. So 8 minutes to create a badge feltie. So I think that's pretty cool. This design I purchased off of Etsy. It doesn't have to be, you know, nothing related to the medical field or anything. You can buy, they have Baby Yoda. I've done Baby Yoda before. They have flowers and unicorns. They have all type of stuff, but you can get the files off of Etsy. And that is it. It is complete. So then this is how the back is gonna look. Pretty nice and clean. It hid all the stitches from the back of the design. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one out, and then I'm gonna cut the outer. I'm gonna cut the felt out. All right, so we're gonna pop this off. This is what you'll have. Sorry, it's sticky. So before you cut it, you know what, guys? I actually use this sticky felt, but it's actually a pain right now. I don't think I will be using it again. I like it because it's more sturdier than this one. This one is more flimsy, as you guys can see. But my needle got stuck and sticky a couple times, and my thread got jammed. I had to go back and cut it. But anyways, it did the job. Before we cut it out, we're just going to tear away the stabilizer, if it lets me. Like I said, I'm not worrying about the bottom one, so this one is good. I don't think there's any stabilizer there. You're gonna need a bigger scissors for this. And this doesn't have to be perfect. You just gotta kind of cut around the edges. I just do like a rough cut, and then I come back with the smaller scissors or the Fisker scissors and give it a little bit more shape. You can also use, I've used in the past a hot knife just to kind of make the edges, seal them first of all, and also make them a little bit more straight, I would say, like give it a better shape. Because with the scissors, of course, you can't really get a clean edge. Well, you can, but it just takes time. And then once I'm done with this, I'm not really going to show it, but I like to just press it a little bit. You don't have to use a heat press, a big heat press. You can use, I have a easy press from Cricut. I use that, or you can just iron it, that's fine. Just to kind of set the stitches in place. And then I will be using hot glue to glue it on the badge holder. I get the badge holders from Dollar Tree. I think you get about 3 or 4 for $1. I think that's a great deal, because then you can get your profit there. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna cut a little bit more over the edges, clean it up a little bit. I do have the badge holder, which is this one here. This is the one that I'm going to be using. I get it at Dollar Tree, 3 or 4 for $1. And then we're just going to hot glue that right there. And then it'll look like so. All right, so once I finish and I have it already glued on here, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the final product. All right, guys, so this is the final result. I did already press it, so the stitches looks nice and flat. The back, as you can see around the border, it looks nice and clean. I hot glued it like I told you guys, and that's it. I think it looks super cute, super cute. So now the way I pack these, guys, I just wanted to show you real quick. I did purchase these little bags in Hobby Lobby, which are perfect size for these. So I'll just throw it in there, and then I'll make sure I throw in also one of my business cards here so that they can check out my Etsy store. And then my husband was kind enough to make me some custom stickers. So then I'm gonna put the sticker right on here, put the business card in and the feltie, and that's it. I'm gonna assemble it and I'm gonna show you guys. Tell me this is not super cute, guys. This is a good thank you gift. And then I did bring in my shirt that I made using sublimation and bleach that I spoke to you guys about. I just wanted to show you guys real quick what that looked like, and then you guys let me know your feedback. And there we have it. This is the final product. It looks super nice, super clean, professional. So I know my customer is gonna like it, so that's ready to go. All right, and now I just want to show you guys the shirt real quick before we go. These shirts are super awesome to make. Super fun. You can get super creative with like the bleaching. So this is the design that I was telling you guys. This is the Mom Life design here with the leopard print, and then as you can see, I bleached it. This shirt was completely navy blue. So I think it looks pretty awesome. So I think this is what I'll be creating for my next video. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you guys liked it and learned something from it. If you have any questions or comments, just make sure that you leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.